It's been a while since I've posted on this channel, and I've decided that I need to start painting more regularly. And what I've realized is that there's a little bit of a trap that I can sometimes fall into where I feel like I have to have 2 or 3 hours. And then what happens is that I never paint, which sucks. So come along with me at Plein. Get some small painting panels. That should work. Well, I wasn't successful at being economic in the Plein art store, and truth be told, I never am. Oops, I think I found it. Look at that tree. So I'm gonna try and paint that. Okay, so this is my sketch, you know, just a tree out there, a shadow on the side, highlights here, a little hill coming down, a little further back. Now I'm just gonna block in here this shadow on the ground. I've never done this painting sort of situation in the car before. It's a little scary, but kind of fun. Let's see what happens. Gonna throw the shadow side of this tree in here. Got a little bit of, I'm using water mixable oils, so I've got some water mixable oil, linseed oil, which is just so weird, but apparently they've somehow managed to do some voodoo magic with oil paints to make them water mixable. And now I'm just gonna darken the top of the sky just slightly. It's usually darker at the top, and then it gets lighter as it comes down. So here we are, darkening the top. It's always sort of scary with paintings. It always looks like kind of messy bit right now, and I hope it comes together. But it's always fun to just get out and paint, regardless of what it ends up looking like. Try not to spend a huge amount of time on this. Okay, now I'm going to throw in this hill in the back, and see if I can. It's a pretty greenish yellow hill, and I want it to stand out from this tree, so I need to make it a different value than the tree. They say that value does all the work, but color gets all the credit, so I'm trying to learn exactly what that means. So learning for sure. Okay, I think the cool thing about oil paint is you get these like millions of different like colors that you can't even plan for. All right, I think we're gonna leave it there for now and see what that looks like. Thanks for joining me. Fun to kind of get out here and paint a little half-hour painting or so. And always enjoy a little time looking at things in the world and trying to capture it a little bit and trying to get a little better each day. Thanks all. Okay, so here's where this ended up. Pretty fun little morning. This took about half an hour to paint, little 5x7. I enjoyed just sitting out and painting this little tree, trying to capture some of the light. Here's a little closer version of it. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for joining me. A little park and paint episode number 1.